Hello everyone, welcome back again with FreeCAD Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 16. You can click Create New and change into Part Design, Create Body, Create Sketch, and I will choose a top plane. The next, we create circle, start from this point. I will set a radius into 66, and you can click Close. Use Fillet Tools to convert into 3D. We set for length into 20. Click OK. The next, select up this face and click Create Sketch. I will create these tools, arch. Start from the center points. Click in here and move. The next, we create line from this point into here. Also from the center point into here. The next, from this point to the bottom here. You can select this line object. We can change into construction line. Use this angle constraint to set angle in here into 30 degree. Also at this point into 30 degree. And then for radius in this arch, okay, we can set into 66. Now you can create line, start from this point into here. And we can set for this 10. In here I will set into 44. The next, use a trim command to cut this line. Okay, cut again at this point. The next, you can close, click here. And use pocket tools to subtract the 3D objects. Okay, you can set length into 20. So it will be subtract and click OK. In here, I will use Fillet Tools. You can select at this edge first, also at this point. You can press Ctrl button to select multiple edge and use Fillet Tools. You can set for radius into 15. Click OK. The next, I will click at this edge, also in here. You can fillet. In here, we can set a radius into 5. Click OK. Now you can use these tools. Okay, we can use a polar pattern feature to copy this Fillet Tools and a packet. Click OK. The next, for items, I will set into 3. We will change into 3. You can see. And you can click OK to apply. We also can select up this face and we can change for refine into true. Okay. Select up this face. The next, we create sketch. And in here, I will create circle. Start from the center point. We set for radius in the circles. I will set into 18. Close and extrude. In here, we set extrusion into 35. Select again at this face. Use create sketch and create circle in here. We set radius in the circle into 13. Close, and you can use pad tools to extrude about 15. And the last, from this face, we create a circle, set into 10 for radius. Close and use pocket tools to create holes. Okay, you can click here, pocket. We can set length into 50. Click OK. Okay, you can see this is not enough. I will edit for pocket. Edit pocket, and I will set in it into 100. So to be create holes. Click OK again. We can create a circle at this face. Can select and click create sketch. I will create circle with radius 41. Okay, set into 41. The next, close, and we use Fillet Tools again. To cut in here, we set into 15 for length. Click OK. Okay. Select again at this face. I will create circle. Okay, in this point. By these tools, in this point. Set for radius into 6 in the circle. And set for distance in here into 53. Okay, 53. Close and use Fillet Tools to create hole. I will set into 50. Okay, the next you can use these tools, polar array. Click Fillet 3. Okay, and for item set into 3. Click OK. The last, select at this face, create sketch, and we create circle in here. So this is in the middle. I will set for distance into 30, and for radius we set into 6. Close, use Fillet Tools to convert into 3D, and we can set extrusions into 10s. Click OK. The last, you can select at this face, create sketch. We create circle, but first I will use this reference edge, and we create circle in here. Set for radius into 3. Close, and we can extrude into 5. Click OK. Last, we can use polar again in here. Okay, polar patterns. For object, we select this path here, path 3 and path 4. Click OK. For items, you can set into 6. This for 6. If you're done, you can click OK. Now we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 16 with FreeCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.